Winter came a little bit earlier than expected this year. Now, many local public works departments are busy maintaining the roads, but they're also preparing for something else, COVID-19. About 7 inches of snow fell in the Northwest Metro on Tuesday, and we could see more white stuff by the end of the week. Plymouth Public Works crews are ready to plow over 320 miles of city streets.
This has been just a crazy year, whether it's COVID or this historic snowstorm we've had.
Plymouth Public Works Director Michael Thompson says the city has taken a number of steps to keep employees on the job and safe from COVID-19.
Over here is a station that has some of the sanitizing and paper towels where if they run out, they can come grab some extra supplies.
Plow drivers also wipe down the inside of vehicles with disinfectant after they're done with their shift.
Our goal is to try and make sure the same person is using the same vehicle so there's not a lot of crossover.
And they're also staggering shifts to limit how many people are in the building at one time.
Our street staff will come in a half hour earlier than our utility staff, and so lunches and time in and out the door is broken up by a half hour.
And if anyone were to get sick and have to quarantine at home, Plymouth has a plan. They would first shift resources from their Parks and Recreation department, and if those resources ran out, they have another option.
We would use our mutual aid pact that we have with Hennepin County Emergency Management.
In 2018, the Plymouth City Council approved participating in the Minnesota statewide Public Works Mutual Aid Pact, which allows cities to borrow resources from other neighboring cities who are part of the agreement.
We make sure we're staying in communication with our neighboring city.
If there's a need, we're going to respond.
Crystal Public Works Director Mark Ray spearheaded the pact.
For us smaller cities, even losing a few staff can have a significant impact on the operations. And so for us, having this agreement in place really provides the flexibility.
There are more than 15 cities participating in the program, including Brooklyn Center and Golden Valley. Each city works out the details amongst themselves when it comes to using resources.
The nice thing about this agreement is it just provides the legal framework.
Hennepin County Public Works is not part of the Mutual Aid Pact, but they have an unofficial agreement to work with cities.
I've reached out to about a dozen of them, and all of them have agreed to help out in their jurisdiction if there's a county road that they could open up for us.
Because in a year of uncertainty, it's good to have a backup to the backup plan.
It's reassuring to us and the public to know that if something does happen, we do have contingency plans.
Sonia Goins, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.